if you could change one thing about Nimbus, what would it be?
One thing. The one thing which I'll be changing is that as soon as a person enters a college, and we are entering a technical college, so in the very beginning, we should have a technical fest in the first semester as compared to the second semester. So if I could change one thing, it would be changing the semester in which Nimbus occurs.
What are you going to miss the most about this club after Nimbus?
The energy, the people, the most obviously, and
obviously the fun we are having right now. Yeah.
अच्छा.
What is the most exciting thing about Nimbus?
यार अभी तक तो कुछ एक्साइटिंग हुआ नहीं है. वैसे एक्सटेंशंस पे आ रहे हैं, सामान पूरा आया नहीं अभी तक. देखते हैं, होप सो आगे एक्साइटिंग हो कुछ.
एक्सटेंशंस, दिल्ली की दौड़, हमीरपुर तक सामान लाना, रोज़ का रोज़ 12 से 3:30 बजे तक सोना, यही है निम्बस की सारी मौज, स्पेशली कोर कोऑर्डिनेटर्स के लिए.
So what's your club working on for this Nimbus?
We are working on various online and offline events, and we are looking forward to have a blast this time, and with lot of projects. We are introducing lot of projects to display in the exhibition. Yeah.
Nice.
Sir, how will this Nimbus be different from last year's Nimbus?
Okay. हमारे सीनियर्स हमेशा कहते थे कि निम्बस मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हेल्थ फेयर जैसा लगता है. लाइक हम टेक्निकल इवेंट करा रहे होते हैं, बट स्टिल हर जगह डांस, डीजे, फाइन आर्ट्स ये सब चला होता है. तो इस बारे हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि हम हर एक चीज़ को टेक्निकल टच दें. तो हमने एक नया क्लब भी टेक्निकल डेकोरेशन इंट्रोड्यूस किया है, प्लस हमारे स्टार नाइट भी जो है वो पिछले जितने भी साल थे उससे ज़्यादा फेमस होने वाली है, और प्लस हमारे एग्जीबिशंस.
What is the most awaited event from your club for this Nimbus?
So the most awaited event of our team, OJS, is Laser Strike, which is dedicated to all our Counter Strike fans.
Awesome. Who is your most favorite senior?
अंकुश चौधरी सर.
Nice.
पटियाल सर. समृति मैम. डीके सर, राणा सर, भट्ट सर, अंकुश सर, समृति मैम, सचिन पटियाल सर. देयर आर मैनी सीनियर्स, हमने बहुत सीखा है, एंड वो सब हमारे सीनियर हैं.
एक
सब और अच्छे सीनियर
जिन्होंने हमें बहुत अच्छा गाइडेंस दिया था वो थे सचिन पटियाल सर. लास्ट टाइम फाइनेंस एंड ट्रेजरी सेक्रेटरी रह चुके वो, और अभी पास आउट हो गए. ही वाज फ्रॉम 16 बैच.
टीम निम्बस. टीम निम्बस.
So sir, how would you extract work from your juniors?
It's all about motivation and what we aim for while doing our work. Like we are trying to represent Nimbus. I would like to motivate them and to show them the creative side of a club, and that's how we can extract work there.
How do you feel being the secretary of this Nimbus?
Well, actually it's a pretty big responsibility that I have, but I'm quite enjoying it because this is the finally time I get to contribute something to my college. So yeah, I'm enjoying it.
What makes your club stand special among all the other clubs in this Nimbus?
We have our own anthem.
Yeah, and what's that anthem? Please sing it for us.
We belong to Pixonites and Pixonites belongs to us.
How do you manage to extract work from your juniors?
We don't believe anything like work. It is the inner feeling that comes to work for Team Vibhav. And in our club there is no hierarchy, whether it's third year, whether it's second year, or whether it's first year. We all are sitting here together as you see, and we are working for Nimbus. That is our club work, and everyone willingly do the work in our club.
So how would you want to incorporate Team Udgam into your work in this Nimbus?
See, civil engineering is basically covers all the aspects of engineering. Okay, so it is a very wide field, and if you talk about futuristic projects, there are concepts of smart cities that are coming up, and there are more innovative projects that are coming up. The government of India is heavily investing in the infrastructure. Yes. So we have a lot of ideas. We are combining them. We are also making a project on that, the smart city project. So we are actually combining all those ideas, and that also incorporates the Udgam theme. And all of our projects are basically oriented towards Udgam. Okay, so that's how it goes.
These are mostly theme oriented. All the projects are theme oriented, like smart cities and all the aspects.
What will you miss the most about your club after Nimbus?
Patrolling, working with Jangu, fun with Jangus, and extensions, of course, beautiful girls.
Okay. And if you could change one thing about Nimbus, what would it be?
Of course, budget. Budget is too low.
Okay.
How does Pixonites work?
See, in our club, creativity in the field of animation, web development, graphics and photography, they go hand in hand. And I think this is the reason for the creative output and the quality of work we showcase.
Nice. And what is the one thing that separates Pixonites from other clubs, sir?
Actually, like most of the clubs like try to showcase their own work and like pull up their own department onto the top. But our club actually like showcases works of other clubs and bring forth like what they are doing, and yeah, that's what separates our club.